Hi guys, it's Steve from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are coming to you from a new camera. I saved up my money. I saved and saved and saved and saved and saved. Finally had enough for this camera that I've been wanting for so long to do videos and whatnot with. And here it is. We have it. The plan for this camera is so that, as you veterans know, my cameraing or my what is the word? Cinematography? I suck at doing camera stuff. I don't have things in focus. That's the main reason why I wanted this camera, because when I have it facing down and my hands are moving up and down, up and down, up and down, the focus comes out. So I was using my iPhone a lot, but that was taking up storage and it was a pain in the butt uh, to have to edit, and I had to go insert program. It was just a mess. So I saved my money. I got it. I'm excited about it. Um, Also hoping that it makes me a little more professional, which it probably won't, but I won't become an expert by any means with this camera, but the hope is just a little bit, maybe. Anyway, I'm here today with my partner in crime, Tagal, who's a little depressed. I got new glasses, by the way. I can actually see. They're not cheaters. They're real glasses. They're the kind that you put the magnetic things on. Um, I got the sunglasses magnetic thing for it, and I had another just a cover for it, but I lost them in the house someplace. They like hopped off. I took them off, put them someplace. Don't know where they are. Anyway, Taco here is extremely depressed because there's two reasons. Come on, lay back down, baby. I'm sorry. Um, she's in heat. That started last Thursday. Friday of last week, I had an appointment for her to be fixed. Neutered, spayed, whatever you do to female, spayed. Um, but they won't do it if she's in heat. If she went into heat on Thursday, of course, my love. So we had to postpone it for sometime the end of April. Is when they postponed it for. Meanwhile, now she has to go through this for a couple weeks, and she's very sad and depressed and whatever. We also have a Shiba Inu hunter. Taco's a Chihuahua. We have Shiba Inu hunter who has been fixed. However, he doesn't know it, and he keeps attacking Taco. So that makes her exhausted. So that's. I think she's kind of coming out of the heat now because that was last Friday. So it's been over a week now. Actually, tomorrow will be 2 weeks that she was in heat. So she should be on the downside of it. Um, and also, we got a new puppy. We got a new puppy, and she's the cutest thing ever. We named her Miley because I love Miley Cyrus. So her name's Miley. She's really cute. And I'm sure I'll post her on here throughout as we go, but she's a little golden doodle. She's 8 pounds, teeny tiny little thing. And when we got her, she was loaded with ear mites. I don't think she was in the best of conditions. The place we got her from, the guy we got her from, she so we cleaned them all up because that's highly contagious, and the other dogs would get her. So we kept them away from her, and we got them all cleared up. So that's good. Um, and we believe she's blind, partially blind. She's having trouble seeing. She's almost 11 weeks old. She had some of her shots, but she can't get her rabies shots until she's 12 weeks old. And so I have an appointment for her for April 4th to get her rabies shot and to get checked out and all that fun stuff, do all the testing and whatnot they have to do. Because I got to make sure my other dogs stay healthy and she doesn't give them anything. But we're not, excuse me, quite sure of the conditions that she was in when she was given to us. So we are working on that. But Tonko, who is the queen of the house, she loves to be in charge, and she actually takes charge upon her to the point where he backs down. He's a big dog. She's little. Um, she's a little afraid of the puppy, of little Miley. So, and she's a little jealous, a little depressed. She just kind of mopes around and all. So she's my ride or die. She goes after anybody that comes anywhere near me. Even if Will comes near me, she'll attack. bark, growl, whatever. So she's very extremely protective of me, and I think maybe because I was giving Miley a little bit too much attention, and Papa's feelings about her, so she now gets extra attention. And poor Miley is getting more attention from Will than me, which is fine. Right now, I just want to make sure that that was okay. So she's dealing with two separate issues that are going being in heat. I think that's adding, that's like making her depression a little bit more than it needs to be. Can dogs even be depressed? I don't know. I'm guessing, yeah, she's kind of down. But anyway, that's where we're at with that. Anyway, today I am going to do a quick video of a couple items I purchased off Amazon. Please don't come at me about it. I know people are insisting people should buy from the name brand and blah 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 blah. I'm on a very fixed income. I don't have money paycheck to paycheck. I'm barely making it like the rest of Americans, the majority of Americans. So please don't come at me for finding shortcuts to get my crafting fix on. 2024, I pretty much did a no spend, no crafting spend um, year, and for the most part, I stuck to it. So it is what it is. I'm going to flip you around now, and we're going to go over the couple items that I purchased. So stay tuned. Hold on a second. Flip it. Turn it. All right, guys. First, I want to apologize for the shadows over here, but I'm still trying to get the hang of this camera, and I'm kind of looking at it on its tilt. It does have like a little flip out screen so I can see it, but I'm going to aim it out of help. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, apologies. It's a work in progress. Like I said, I purchased these dies on Amazon. Pretty cheaply. I think they were like $2.49. Let's see. Amazon. Like I said, this is the third time doing this video. First one is a snowflake snowflake die cut for $2.93. And the other one is a burlappy kind of background one that I got for $2.42. So super inexpensive. They came from China. It did take a long time to get here. I actually forgot that I purchased them when they came. I'm like, what the heck is this? Anyway, here's the burlap one. It's 2 inches by I think 4. I'm pretty sure. Where my previous video I had this ounce to measure. I'm doing American inches, guys. American inches. 4.25 inches by almost 2 inches, probably 2 inches for this one. And then this one here, you can cut apart. As you can see, they have a little thing. I wouldn't cut it apart. I don't see a need to. But this one is like 3 by 4. That's the dimension. It's 3.5. 3.5. However, like I said, these all come apart. The biggest snowflake from end to end is about 2.25. I'm learning. So anyway, that's that. So because I've done this is my third round about with this video. I've already cut these. This one here cuts in my 2x2, my two spellbinders, my little spellbinders, mini. I ran it in once back, and it cut fine. This one here I did on my big kick, big shot, big whatever the heck it is. I ran it up, and I always run it back, and it cut fine. So they both cut really, really well, I have to say. And I will show you the result. Here is the burlap. I did it in craft cardstock, and I did or not embellish. I did like ink it up a little bit with some like black soot, um, just to make it look a little more worn. Here it is without the black soot, and here it is. What? That'll be super super cool. Like a background. You can put it like here, and then put some other stuff. And I don't know. We'll have fun with it. I'm hoping. I'm hoping. That's that one. And then here's the snowflake. Here's the cutout of it, which you can use as a stencil. Like it is. You can cut it out of like a little thin piece of mylar or acetate and use a stencil if you want it. And then here's how good they cut out. They're like very delicate and they cut out really, really well. I'm very pleased. I say now this had a little piece too, a little star. No idea, but look how cute they are. So cute. This was the middle of that, and then it had like a little star, but I don't know what happened to it. Um. Anyway, that's that, guys. I'm very happy with them. Super cheap. It was like what, $6 total? Took a while to get to. Like I said, I forgot I even ordered it. When it came, I was like, what the heck was this? Um. So that's that. That was fun, and I'm excited to use it. I will use these cutouts to put in my book, my catalog, so I can catalog when I have. Next thing, really quickly, I want to go over with you guys is I went to Dollar Tree. I go to Dollar Tree a lot. I love their crafting section, and I haven't really in a couple years now. I haven't really found a lot of new stuff, but I did find this, which is kind of new. I believe there's 15. Let me tear them out. I haven't cataloged them yet. I haven't even tried them yet, but it's still good. Yeah, that's not okay. You're an idiot. Anyway, it says create your own magic. Love makes a house. You're so loved. Be authentically you, which I really really like this one. It's got a little butterfly. How cute is that? Dream hard, work harder. You do your best. Live, laugh, love. I think that's like done over with. Like it reminds me of the '80s kind of thing. I know it's probably not from the '80s, but ugh, not my thing. Spread the love. You got this. Make every minute count. Good vibes. And never give up hope. Well done. Always follow your heart. Be kind. So it's cute. They're really cute. $1.25. I haven't tried them yet. Obviously, I just opened them in front of you, but that's cool. And I've said time and time again, I knew everything I get from Dollar Tree. I knew everything I get from Dollar Tree. Well, guess what? I picked this up yet again. I think this is probably the fourth one of these I got. I liked it so much. I was like, oh my God, I love that. I'm going to get it. Well, here's proof that I already have it. And then I'm pretty sure I sent one up to Sarah. And I'm pretty sure there's another one floating around here somewhere. So I believe I have 4 copies of this. So I think I'm going to do a giveaway somehow, one way or another. I don't know. Put it in a box, give it away to people, to somebody. I don't know. Anyway, that's my video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And the next video, believe it or not, is going to be a Timo haul video. Yes, I will explain to you in the next video. I know I banned them. I wasn't going to buy from them for a very long time. And I didn't. I didn't buy from them for a very long time. And there's a reason why I did purchase from them this time around. And I'll explain it to you in the next video. So make sure you look out for that, guys. And I want to thank you all for watching. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And we'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully this is the last time I have to do this video. Bye, guys.